Automatic high-speed sleeve type heat shrink wrapping machine is suitable for multi-roll heat shrink packaging of mineral water bottles, beverage bottles, and round bottles. It is widely used in the pharmaceutical, food, stationery, cosmetics, and daily necessities industries. The machine is easy to operate, features an advanced control system, high stability, and extremely high efficiency. It boasts a classic and attractive appearance, a novel and unique structure, and simple operation and maintenance. The machine uses servo motor control, a touch screen display, a user-friendly interface, and quick parameter settings. The machine uses pneumatically expanded support rollers and electronically inductive film conveying, ensuring smooth film transport and quick film changes. This machine can be used independently or in conjunction with automatic mineral water filling machines, labeling machines, and case packer machines and other machines. We can customize heat shrink wrapping machines according to customer packaging needs, including fully enclosed heat shrink wrapping machines, sleeve type fully automatic heat shrink wrapping machines, and pillow type heat shrink wrapping machines, providing different packaging methods and requirements. This particular machine is a sleeve type fully automatic heat shrink wrapping machine for mineral water bottles. Inquiries and purchases are welcome.